Good morning, students. I am Basavaraj RC, your science teacher. Welcome back to online classes. The Little Paris Higher Primary School, JCR Extension 6th class, Chitradurga. Today we will discuss about 7th standard first chapter, Nutrition in Plants. What we are going to study today? First, we study why we eat food: to get energy, to get nutrition, to get carry of life process, to grow the stronger. List the nutrients that we obtained from food: the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water along with the dietary fibers are a rough gauge. Nutrition in plants. Meaning of nutrition. What is the nutrition? The nutrition is a process of taking food and its utilizations by the body. The foods may be obtained from plants products and animal products. The plants can synthesize food for themselves, but animals cannot, include humans. Modes of nutrition in plants. They contains two types. First one is autotrophic nutrition. It means auto means self. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. It means hetero means others and trophase means nourishment. And two types of modes of nutrition are autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. What are autotrophic nutritions? Those organisms that prepare their own food from a simple substances prepared in our surroundings. They are called a primary producers. And heterotrophs, those organisms that depends on other for their food or depends on producers. What is the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs? Autotrophs are organisms that prepare their own food, but heterotrophs depends upon other organisms for a nutrition. In autotrophs, these are known as the producers and include green plants, algae and few photosynthetic bacteria. In heterotrophs, these are the consumers and include cows, buffaloes, tigers, horses, etc. In autotrophs, they contain a chlorophyll, helps in preparing food. In heterotrophs, they do not contain the chlorophyll, so cannot their own prepare food. How plants prepare their food? Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The leaves are the food factories of plants. Therefore, all the raw materials must reach the leaves. Water and minerals present in the soil are observed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores that present on the surface of leaves. These pores are surrounded by the guard cells. Such pores are called a stomata. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. Raw material for photosynthesis. The water and carbon dioxide and presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll and solar energy is used to synthesize the food from carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called a photosynthesis. Like photo means light, synthesis means to combine. Summary of photosynthesis. Finally, the food prepared, it means the glucose are prepared. Glucose 6CO2 plus 6H2O carbon dioxide with combines with water, we will get a glucose plus oxygen. It means C6H12O6 plus 6CO2. In this presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, thus the sun is the ultimate source of the energy for all living organisms. This picture shows the site for a photosynthesis in leaf that takes place in chlorophyll necessary in factors. First, we know that this picture shows the leaf, the thin structures. The first one is the stoma, it means stomata, and we occurs a air space and spongy mesophyll cells and chlorophyll. And fat of carbohydrates the produce in the plants, carbon dioxide and water, the both are very useful to prepare in food in this process of photosynthesis. The carbohydrates, for example, is glucose. It releases the energy by respiration and the convert into the starch for a storage, because the glucose not a very good storage molecule in our plants. Thank you, students. These are the assignments. First one is define the terms. First one is nutrition and what are autotrophs, what are heterotrophs, what is photosynthesis. Next question, list out the examples of autotrophs. Next question, why we need food. And fourth question, differentiate between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Fifth question is, draw a diagram of photosynthesis and write the word equation of photosynthesis. Thank you, students.